In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set quiet hours on Slack. Setting quiet hours can be a game changer for maintaining a balanced work-life relationship, helping you mute those non-urgent notifications when it's time to focus on personal tasks, or simply unwind. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, go to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you haven't already created an account, you might need to do so, but I assume you're already part of a team or organization using Slack. Now locate the option to sign in. If you usually sign in with Google, you can conveniently click on Sign in with Google. This will direct you to your Google account login page. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be logged into your Slack workspace in no time. Once you're on your Slack dashboard, it can seem a bit overwhelming, especially if you're managing multiple channels and conversations. However, for what we're doing today, just focus on the top right corner of your screen. Look for your profile icon, click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find several options related to your account settings and preferences. Among these options, you'll want to find the Pause Notifications setting. Clicking on this brings up an interface where you can choose when notifications are paused. This is essentially how we can set those much needed quiet hours. You might see preset options like pausing for 30 minutes, an hour, or until tomorrow morning. These are great for quick breaks. However, if you need more control, look for a custom setting or advanced options that allow you to specify exact times. Once you're in this deeper settings menu, you can designate the hours when you don't want to receive any notifications. Perhaps it's every weekday evening from 7 PM to 8 AM the next day, or all weekends. This control gives you the freedom to personalize your downtime without interruptions. After confirming your selected quiet hours, Slack will automatically mute notifications and will resume them based on your schedule. Remember, setting these boundaries is crucial for your well-being and productivity. Not only do you avoid distractions, but you can also ensure that you have ample time to relax or focus on activities that matter most outside of work. And there you have it, you've successfully set your quiet hours on Slack, creating a perfect balance between staying informed and taking that much needed pause. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to set quiet hours on Slack. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with colleagues or friends who could benefit from a little more peace and quiet in their Slack life. Until next time, enjoy your work and your downtime.